Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chapter Oxygen part 5. So in this part we will learn preparation of oxygen method number 3, and the name of the method is industrial method. So first, from liquid air, there are two methods in that, and first is liquid air by liquid in that principle is there, and that principle is Joule-Thomson effect. The principle is Joule-Thomson effect. And this says that when a gas under pressure is allowed to expand suddenly through a small orifice into a region of low pressure, its temperature falls and converts into liquid. This on distillation gives oxygen. Procedure. Step 1 is removal of dust particles and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide present in air is removed by passing it through caustic potash KOH, and the dust particles are removed by passing through a small electric precipitator. Step 2. Liquefaction of air. The purified air is compressed to 200 atm pressure, and is atm pressure means 200 atmospheric pressure, and is cooled by passing through cooling chambers, and finally the gas is allowed to escape through a small aperture opening. The process is repeated. In the results, the temperature of the air being continuously lowered until the air becomes a liquid at minus 200 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Fractional distillation, evaporation of liquid air. First, liquid air thus obtained is mainly a mixture of liquid nitrogen and liquid oxygen. Second, the liquid air is then led to a fractionating column when it is subjected to fractional evaporation on distillation. Nitrogen with a lower BP minus 196 degrees Celsius is evolved first, leaving behind the liquid oxygen. which on further evaporation turns into gaseous oxygen. Fourth, the oxygen gas is then dried, decompressed and stored in steel cylinders under pressure. Second method is by the electrolysis of water, H2O. So principle is acidified water when subjected to electrolysis, chemical decomposition takes place, evolving O2. Procedure. The electrolysis cells consists of two electrodes, usually an inert metal such as platinum, submerged in acidified water and connected to opposite poles of a source of direct current. The electric current disassociates water molecule into hydroxide OH- and hydrogen H+ ions. 2H2O gives 2H2 plus O2. Hydrogen gas accumulates in the limb which is connected to the negative terminal, and oxygen gas accumulates in the limb which is connected to the positive terminal. Note: pure water does not conduct electricity because its low ionization ability. However, it becomes a good conductor when dilute sulfuric acid is added to it. This water is called acidified water or acidulated water. I hope you understood this whole method. The third method of preparation of oxygen, that is industrial method. So, in next part, means part 5 of chapter oxygen, we will learn about physical properties of oxygen, and after that we'll start the next point, that will be chemical properties. I hope you have understood this video. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you for watching.